We'll look at some of the top SD cards for the GoPro Hero 13 in this video, so you can be sure to have the ideal storage for all of your adventures.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Samsung Pro Plus SD Card. When looking for the best performance out of their GoPro Hero 13, consumers should consider the Samsung Pro Plus SD Card. This SD card, which is well known for its remarkable speed and dependability, is made to withstand the demanding requirements of taking quick pictures and high-resolution video recordings. The Samsung Pro Plus minimizes the possibility of dropped frames or corrupted data by ensuring that your film is captured smoothly and effectively, with read and write rates of up to 180 megabytes per second and 130 megabytes per second, respectively. The GoPro Hero 13's ability to record 4K UHD pictures makes this SD card especially suitable for this purpose. You can fully utilize the camera's high bitrate thanks to the quick write speeds, which guarantee that every detail is captured in your recordings. The Samsung Pro Plus SD card also complies with Class 10 and UHD standards, which are necessary to preserve the high performance needed for advanced recording settings. Another significant benefit of the Samsung Pro Plus SD card is its durability. Because of its durability, it is a perfect partner for the challenging settings that GoPro explorers frequently run into. No matter where you are, your important data is safe with the X-ray, magnet, temperature, and moisture-proof card. Because of its robustness, you can confidently test the limits of your GoPro Hero 13 without having to worry about data loss or damage to your storage media. On number 2, we have Akaso SD Card. For those who are using the GoPro Hero 13, the Akaso SD card is an even better choice. Akaso has established a solid reputation for producing memory cards that are both affordable and of excellent quality without sacrificing functionality. The demanding requirements of action cameras are specifically met by this SD card, ensuring seamless and continuous recording sessions. The remarkable read and write speeds of the Akaso SD card are among its best qualities. The data-intensive needs of 4K video recording and high-speed photography may be easily met by this card, with read and write rates of up to 100 megabytes per second, respectively. With the GoPro Hero 13, these speeds are more than adequate to guarantee that your footage is recorded with the least amount of lag or delay. In addition to supporting US IU3 and Class 10 ratings, the Akaso SD card is a reliable option for continuous shooting modes and high-resolution video. In order to ensure that you get the most out of your GoPro Hero 13, these parameters are essential for upholding the performance standards required for advanced recording settings and high bitrate video. Another important aspect of the Akaso SD card is its durability. This card is shockproof, temperature-proof, waterproof, and X-ray proof because it is made to withstand harsh environments. You can be sure that your data will be secure and undamaged, whether you're exploring urban settings, scaling steep mountains, or diving into the ocean's depths. Particularly for GoPro users who frequently find themselves in difficult settings, this durability is crucial. On number 3, we have Gigastone 4K Camera Pro SD Card. If you're looking for a reliable and effective storage option for your GoPro Hero 13, the Gigastone 4K Camera Pro SD Card is a great option. With its emphasis on high performance and reasonably priced memory cards designed for both professional and amateur photographers and videographers, Gigastone has carved out a position for itself in the industry. The Gigastone 4K Camera Pro SD card is well suited to meet the demanding needs of 4K video recording and high frame rate action photography, with read and write rates of up to 120 megabytes per second and 80 megabytes per second, respectively. These speeds guarantee that your film is recorded smoothly and without lag or data loss, which is essential for getting the most out of the GoPro Hero 13. Supporting US IU3 and Class 10 demands is necessary for the Gigastone 4K Camera Pro SD card to continue operating at a high level even during long recording sessions. This means that there will be no quality or reliability loss while using it for data-intensive tasks like burst mode photography and high-resolution video capture. The Gigastone 4K Camera Pro guarantees that your data is safe and intact, whether you're hiking across deserts, skiing down snowy slopes, or surfing waves in the ocean. This frees you up to concentrate on documenting your adventures rather than worrying about data integrity. So these are some of the best SD cards to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.